Good morning, ma'am. May I see you?
Good morning, Angel. Please come in.
Thank you, ma'am. How was your sleep last night, ma'am?
Good. I sleep well. Maybe because I'm tired from a long trip.
Do you have your breakfast for today, ma'am?
Not yet.
Would you like me to order you a breakfast?
No thanks. I have a breakfast meeting with my friend. Maybe black coffee will do.
Okay, ma'am. Para sa inyo. Here is your coffee, ma'am.
Thank you, Angel.
Would you like me to prepare your clothes to wear for today, ma'am, before I clean your room?
Yes, please. Iron my printed red dress, the pink long sleeve from my conference meeting with a gray pencil skirt, and include my shine red and black shoes.
Okay, is that all, ma'am?
Yes, Angel.
I'm done now with your clothes and shoes, ma'am. Would you like me to clean now your room?
Yes, please.
What do you want me to clean first? Your restroom or your...
Clean my bed first. I will take a bath now, and after that, you can follow the restroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Go.
Ma'am, I am done cleaning your room. Is there anything else I can do to assist you?
Maybe you can come back after an hour. I will just prepare myself for a meeting. You can come back after and clean my laundry. I will just put it in my basket.
Okay, ma'am. I will give you now.
Thank you, Angel. You are a big help.
It's a pleasure, ma'am.
Good morning, Angel.
Good morning, Ma'am Maximo. I believe you are checking out today.
Yes, I have a conference in Japan tomorrow.
Would you like me to prepare your bills, ma'am?
Yes, please.
What mode of payment are you going to use? Cash or card, ma'am?
I will use my American visa.
Okay, ma'am, for a moment. Hello, this is Butler Angel. Miss Maximo at room 2010 is checking out today. Will you prepare her bills for me, please? She is paying it with her American visa.
For a moment, give me 20 minutes to prepare her bills.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, your bills is a process. Would you like me to pack your things now?
Yes, Angel. The vault is open. You can get your jewelry there, but leave my Rolex watch that I will use in the dresser.
Okay, ma'am. Here is your bill, ma'am. Kindly check and sign if it is correct.
Okay, here's my card.
Kindly sign it again, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, your account is now settled. Your things are all ready, ma'am. Is there anyone to fetch you or who would like me to call account for you?
Yes, someone will fetch me. Kindly check it is already in the lobby.
Yes, ma'am, for a moment. Hello, sir. This is Butler Angel. Can you check Miss Maximo from room 2010 if her car is already there?
Yes, her car is ready in the waiting area.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Ma'am, your car is waiting for you. Let me carry your luggage in the lobby.
Thank you.
Oops. Siguro nagtingin kayo dito. Thank you for staying with us, ma'am. Hope to see you again in your next visit. Have a safe trip and God bless.
Thank you, Angel. You are a great athlete.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you.